Hi everybody, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Tuesday, October the 13th, 2020. My name is Tamer.
And I'm Laura.
And we're going to be starting with the Euro-US analysis.
Euro slid down against the US dollar on Tuesday, decreasing the price of the EURUSD to less than 1.1900, ahead of the release of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index news.
Now, the Euro-US is currently hovering around the 1.1811. So if you look at the chart, you'll find the following support levels. Support 1 is at 1.1752, which is low of October 9th. Second support level is at 1.1717, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement. And finally, the third support is at 1.1614, which is the lower trendline arm.
On the upside, a few resistance levels might take it difficult for the Euro-USD pair to move above the price ball listed below. At resistance 1, which is the high of September 10th, 2020, is 1.1917. At resistance 2, it is 1.1963, which is the horizontal resistance level. At resistance 3, you'll encounter 1.2011, which is the key horizontal resistance level.
Okay. Let's move on to some fundamental news. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index news, to be precise. Now, the University of Michigan plans to release figures concerning the US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index news this Friday, which is October 16th. According to economists' forecast, the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index registered a reading of 81 in October as compared to 80.4 in the previous month.
The figures for U.S. Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index reflects the personal confidence level of the end consumer in the economic activity of the country. The figure provides an idea about whether or not end consumer is willing to spend money. Generally speaking, a high reading anticipates bullish movement for the U.S. dollar, hence suggests a bearish market for the Euro-USD and vice versa.
That's right. Look, in conclusion, considering the price movement of the pair over the past few days, buying the Euro-US pair around the current levels might yield some good profits in short to medium term trading. Now let's move on to the Euro-Yen.
Euro plunged against the Japanese yen on Tuesday, decreasing the price of the Euro-Yen pair to less than 125.00, ahead of the release of Market Manufacturing PMI news.
Now, the Euro-Yen is currently floating around the 124.43. Again, looking at the chart, the following support levels is something you'll need to keep an eye on. The support 1 is 123.84, which is the low of October 6th. Second support is at 123.05, which is the lower trendline arm. Finally, the third support you'll find the 122.56, which is the Fibonacci retracement of 38.2%.
On the upside, the price of the Euro-Yen pair might come across some resistance level that might prevent it from moving upside near the price tags listed below. At resistance 1, it is 125.28, which is the low of September 14th, 2020. At resistance 2, it is 126.00, which is the confluence of a horizontal resistance level and the psychological number. At resistance 3, it is 127.07, which is the key horizontal resistance level.
Okay, as far as fundamentals, it's the European Market Manufacturing PMI news. So the market economics to release numbers concerning European Market Manufacturing PMI on October 23rd, Friday. So according to economists' forecast, the Market Manufacturing PMI reached a reading of 51.9 in October, as compared to 53.7 in the previous month.
The figures for Market Manufacturing PMI reflects the overall. The figures for Market Manufacturing PMI reflects the overall business conditions of the country. Since the Market Manufacturing PMI contributes a major part of GDP, therefore it is considered as an important economic indicator. Generally speaking, a reading above 50 suggests a bullish trend for the Euro-Yen and vice versa.
Okay, in conclusion, considering the macro economic outlook of this pair over the last few days, buying the Euro-Yen, just like the Euro-US, around the current levels might be a wise trading decision in the short to medium term trading. But as always, when trading, trade with your head, not your heart. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, and most importantly, use strict money and risk management techniques.
Please don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, YouTube channel, and our Instagram. There's a lot for us to teach.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.
Thank you.